Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Priha Shahzad, SS English Digital Public School and College, Sahiwal. Today, the topic of our lesson is change of voice, simple present tense. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to differentiate between active and passive voice, explain the sentence pattern in active and passive voice using simple present tense, convert given sentences from active to passive. What is active voice? The sentences in the active voice are those in which the subject actively performs an action. Examples: Number 1. Ali eats chocolates. Number 2. We play football every evening. Number 3. Mr. Askar teaches English. Here the focus is on Ali, we and Mr. In passive voice, the focus is on the action itself, subject or agent performing that the action is unimportant or unknown. Example: chocolates are eaten by Ali. Football is played by every evening. English is taught by Mr. Askar. Here the focus is on action. Let's come to the rules that are followed in change of voice. When we transform a sentence in the active voice into passive voice, the following important changes take place. Number 1. The subject and object exchange their positions. Number 2. When the subject appears in the sentence in passive voice, it is introduced with by. Number 3. The verb takes on the suitable past participle form. Number 4. In simple present tense, we use is, am or are before past participle, third form of verb. Number 5. The verb agrees in number and person with the object in the subject position. Now the formation of active voice is subject plus verb plus object, and passive voice the formation is object as subject plus is, am, are plus past participle third form of verb plus by plus subject as prepositional object. Change in the pronoun. When a pronoun moves from the position of subject to the position of object, certain changes occur. I into me, we into us, they into them, you remains you, he into him, she into her, it remains it, and name remains name. When a pronoun moves from the position of object to the position of subject, some changes occur. Me into I, us into we, them into they, you remain you, him into he, her into she, it remains it, name remains name. Change of voice, affirmative sentences. The formation of active voices, subject plus verb, base form with or without s or es, plus object. Object in passive voice, object as a subject, plus is, am, are, plus past participle, third form of verb, plus by, plus subject as prepositional object. Let's see the example. Here are the examples of active voice. They draw a picture. This sentence is active voice, and the passive voice of this sentence is pictures are drawn by them. In passive voice, they is subject, draw is verb, the picture is object. In next sentence, you write a letter. So the passive voice of this sentence is a letter is written by you. He sings a song. In this sentence, the passive voice is a song is sung by him. We play hockey. The passive voice is hockey is played by us. I love my country. My country is loved by me. These are the examples of affirmative sentences. Now, discuss the negative sentences. In active voice, the formation is subject plus do plus not plus verb plus object. In passive voice, the formation is object as a subject plus is mr plus not plus past participle third form of verb plus by plus subject as prepositional object. Here are examples of negative sentences. They do not draw a picture. The passive voice of this sentence is pictures are not drawn by them. You do not write a letter. Passive voice is a letter is not written by you. He does not sing a song. A song is not sung by him. We do not play hockey. Hockey is not played by us. I do not like mangoes. Mangoes are not liked by me. Okay, dear students, these are the examples of negative sentences. Now, discuss the interrogative sentences. In active voice, the formation is do or does plus subject plus verb plus object and question mark. In passive voice, is mr plus object as a subject plus past participle third form of verb plus subject as prepositional object and question mark. Here are examples of interrogative sentences. Active voice, do they draw pictures? Passive voice is, are pictures drawn by them? In next sentence, do you write a letter? Is a letter written by you? Does he sing a song? Is a song sung by him? Do we play hockey? In passive voice, is hockey played by us? Do I like mangoes? Are mangoes liked by me? Dear students, these are the examples of interrogative sentences. Now, discuss interrogative sentences with question words. In active voice, question word plus do does plus verb plus object plus question mark. Passive voice, question word plus is mr plus object as a subject plus past participle third form of verb plus by plus subject as prepositional object and question mark. Interrogative sentences with question verbs. Here are examples. How do they draw pictures? How are pictures drawn by them? Next, why do you write a letter? Why is a letter written by you? Why does he not sing a song? Why is a song not sung by him? Where do we play hockey? Where is hockey played by us? Now this sentence is different. Who likes mango? In this sentence, we use by whom. So the passive voice is by whom are mango liked? Dear students, we have completed our today's work. Now here is assessment for you and answer key is here. Thank you students.